Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to fix PrizePicks failed to verify identity in a clear and simple way. First, make sure all the information on your account is correct. Your full name, date of birth, and address must exactly match your government-issued ID. Even small differences like abbreviations or missing middle names can cause verification to fail. Next, double-check your uploaded documents if required. Make sure photos are clear, well-lit, and not blurry. All corners of the ID should be visible and the text should be easy to read. Another common fix is to verify your email and phone number. Check your inbox for any verification emails from PrizePicks and follow the instructions. Also confirm that your phone number is correct and able to receive messages. If the app still shows a verification error, try logging out and back in. You can also try using a different device or switching from the app to the website. This can sometimes refresh the verification process. If none of these steps work, contact PrizePicks support. Use live chat or email support and explain that your identity verification failed. They may ask for additional documents or manual verification to complete the process. Once verification is approved, you should be able to access all features, including deposit and withdrawals. Thanks for watching, and if this guide helped, make sure to support the channel and check out more videos like this.